What is going on, you sexy mofos? So today we're gonna do things a little bit differently because
Alright guys, good morning, good afternoon. Obviously we are in the M3 this morning. Already a low front tire pressure warning, which hopefully is just because of the cold. It's roughly 15-20 degrees outside, and driving this car with Michelin Pilot Super Sport tires is, to be honest with you, kind of dumb because they're like hockey pucks when it's this cold out. So I'm gonna stay on the local roads, but actually what I really should first tell you why I'm even taking it out at all, because I don't really drive this when it's below 35 usually in the winter time, and the reason I'm taking it out is because it's been I think over 2 weeks now, and the roads are dry and it's supposed to snow and it's supposed to be nasty this coming week. So tomorrow and tonight it's gonna get kind of nasty, and it's gonna be in another full week, and I don't just want to start it and let it sit. Just honestly taking it easy. I do have the GoPro Go. I did learn my lesson that if you put it too low in the car and there's anything on the ground, it's just gonna cover the screen. So that is in a totally different video, but I put it a little higher. But as you guys can see, it is dry out. You know, it's dry. There's very few, wet areas, even, down the side streets. And I know that a lot of the guys that don't drive their cars in the wintertime, they put them fully away, might think I'm crazy, but there's plenty of guys that do drive their cars in the wintertime. So anyways, this is just gonna be my first impressions, what I do during the wintertime. I wanted to get another M3 video out too. I'm like, it's killing me to do all these Jeep videos. And I know it's kind of funny because as I do more Jeep videos, more Jeep people are commenting. I can tell by their, oh, let's see if I can do this. Yeah, let's go. And this is normally the road that I really get on it. I normally like accelerate very aggressively, but that would, like I said, be pretty stupid to do. But God, it feels so good to be, it feels like a rough ride, I'm not used to it. Warming up a little bit, that's just what we want. We want to get the gas, so the gas isn't sitting in there, and I'll have to fill up eventually, in a few weeks, just so, because if the gas is sitting in your tank for months on end, it's, you want to get fuel stabilizer, all that stuff. I want you to tell me kind of what you guys do, because that's interesting to me, because I think everyone kind of does something different. Some people fully winterize, some people daily drive the hell out of their cars. Like my friend Mike has an E90 M3 with like 77,000 miles on it, and that's his car. 4 doors, has kids, drives around. Dude, I like applaud you for that, but like this is such a clean car and it's low miles, and I kind of, I love to drive it, and I bought it to drive it, and I've put a lot of miles on it since I bought it. I want to keep the miles kind of as low as possible, but I also want to drive it as much as possible. So it's that constant sort of fight internally of being like car guy wanting to drive, but then being the other car guy, and wanting to sort of preserve it. But then the question becomes, what am I preserving? Am I preserving money? Am I preserving value? Am I preserving myself? That sort of thing. So I might pull off here and take a few pics. Yeah. Slipping so much. Oh man, it's 15 degrees and I still have to open my window because it sounds so good. Alright guys, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. I know there wasn't like a ton going on, but this was sort of the first drive, my first impressions. I'm not freaking out, my OCD's not kicking in, there isn't anything crazy happening. I know that the roads do have a little bit of sort of, you know, the remainder, whatever was on there, but not much is really getting kicked up or anything like that. So I'm feeling all right. I don't feel really regretful. Maybe I'll have to go through some other patch of road where I will feel that way. But for now, I feel great, and I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what you think. If I'm crazy, if I'm even overthinking, like this is probably not even a big deal for most people, especially if they don't have like a rear-wheel drive car. They probably don't even think about this at all, or summer tires or whatever. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Happy New Year, happy holidays, all that good stuff. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you next time. And hopefully it's a little bit warmer.